Who is that?
Slinger.
Who?
Slinger.
What happened to the Jeep?
Fucking one of the floats got stuck in the car, floated it out.
Really? All right. What year is this thing?
It's a 46 Ford cab.
46 Ford cab?
Yep.
What do you got for a power plant in it?
454. 400 turbo tranny. Custom built chassis. Built this winter.
How long you been putting it together?
A few months this winter.
Yeah.
Laid off, yeah.
Nice. Nice project.
Yeah.
Getting almost looks the closest thing to King Sling. Was that your intentions when you built it?
Not really. I'm into old trucks, you know. I like the style of the old trucks, and want to run planetary axles and four-link suspension, and
Right.
yeah.
Well, it's nice. It performed awesome today.
Kind of held together too for the most part.
It did.
Yeah.
It did. Without a doubt.
It's good for the first time out, you know.
Yeah. This is the first time out here today.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah.
So
So
we're
we're
gonna
home and do a little tweaking to it, and
So we're gonna see more of it this year.
oh yeah.
Definitely.
Hell
Yeah.
yeah.
Great. All right. We usually try to make most of the events, you know. So we try to follow the barnyard boggers around and Fridays as much as we can. So hopefully we'll see you there.
Yeah.
What's your name?
John.
John?
His name is Slinger. So we'll be on the side of it.
That's what I asked Scott back there. I'm like, who owns that? And he's like, Dinger. And I'm like, I never met him yet. So I want to make sure I got over today and introduced ourselves. So we'll make sure you get your name right and stuff on YouTube and stuff.
Cool.
All right?
Sounds good.
Thanks, man. I appreciate it very much.
Nice to meet
This is
you.
my fiance, Ida.
Nice to meet you.